Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series by making baking powder biscuits. These are really popular in America. They're quite easy to make. They're a little bit similar to English scones. They're not quite as sweet. Ironically, the American recipe is less sweet than the British in this case. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup or 85 grams of butter, 3/4 cup or 170 milliliters of milk. Add all the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and salt, into a large mixing bowl and combine. Then cut in butter with a pastry cutter or 2 knives or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add milk and combine with a fork. If it's too sticky, add some more flour and briefly knead until the dough comes together. Press the dough onto a baking sheet or roll it out with a rolling pin. Cut the biscuits out with a circle cutter or cut the pieces with a knife. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. I overbaked mine slightly, but they weren't burnt. These biscuits are flaky and have a neutral flavor. They can be eaten hearty or sweet. They taste great with butter and jam, or butter and honey, or cheese, or gravy if you want to try biscuits and gravy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.